Okay, so here's the video I promised you guys I would do. I'm just going to show you real quick how everything's wired up in this vehicle. This is a 91 Dodge Diesel D250 straight 6, and the ground wire that comes with this vehicle is right here. This gets attached to the chassis. Obviously it's too small, not adequate for running any type of power. So we've attached a ground strap directly to the battery post and attached that to the chassis. Power. We have a stud, 5/16 stud going into 4-gauge wire, shrink tube, and then we have that going to our fuse holder. The fuse is a black 100 amp wafer fuse going into a distribution type block. You can pick these up at any car audio store that installs stereo or subwoofer. Basically they work really good. You can do 2 screws, take the fuse out, put the new fuse back in, put your 2 screws back in. Very simple. And then you can see the wires run to the back. And right here on the back side of this, you'll see that wire. That is my ground. The shop only had red wire, didn't have black, so I ran red in, but that is the negative. And then as we move on, you'll see the wire goes right back into the cab. Also, you'll notice down here, right on the tip of my finger, are 4 chokes, and I put those around the positive wire. So this is the amplifier installation. Okay, this is a MF-440, one driving 4 worldwide, and with variable power. It's got SSB preamp on-off switch, and I do have a ground wire attached, and that's basically the front of it. And you can see here from the rest of the equipment, we're running the MaxTrack 300 VHF radio DTMF mic. This is the RCI 2950DX, and the red amplifier attached to it is the KL145 RM Italy VHF amplifier. It does about 140 watts. Okay, then we move on to the back of the installation. You'll see the 2 Raptor distribution blocks. These distribution blocks are 1 in, 4 out. Wires are all done up nice and neat here. 4-gauge wire as well. That's the back of the amplifier. Definitely helps shortening your wires so you don't have a whole bunch of long wires running to your battery. Makes it really easy, simple to change, and keeps everything looking good. And that's basically how the wiring is done. So we'll move on to the antenna. Okay, so this is the antenna mast. Again, there's a 1-1 baling on there. It takes common mode out. We're having trouble with TVI, so it gets rid of that. And we have a ground strap going from the base of the antenna to the top roof of the cab here. And of course, coax going into the Predator 10K, and this is a 27-inch shaft all the way up. And that's how we've done the antenna. System works great, no TVI issues whatsoever, and I think if you do those few things, you'll find that you won't have any problems with your radio install.